What if one day Earth was no longer the only home for humans? What if cities floated in space, tourists traveled around the moon, and humans walked freely on Mars? Right now, space looks empty and silent, but the next few decades could completely change that, because humanity is about to enter a new era of space exploration. Welcome to the future of space. Humanity is preparing to return to the moon. Through the Artemis program, NASA plans to send astronauts back to the lunar surface and build a permanent base. These bases could allow astronauts to live on the moon, conduct scientific research, and prepare for missions deeper into space. The moon may become the first stepping stone for humans beyond Earth. The next destination is the mysterious red planet, Mars. The company SpaceX is developing a massive spacecraft called Starship. This powerful rocket is designed to carry large numbers of people and cargo to Mars. In the future, scientists believe humans may build underground habitats, greenhouses for food, entire cities beneath protective domes. Mars could become the first human colony on another planet. Space will not be only for astronauts anymore. Private companies are already sending tourists beyond Earth. Companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX are developing spacecraft for civilian travel. In the future, people may stay in orbiting space hotels, watch Earth from space windows, take vacations around the moon. Space tourism may become a billion-dollar industry. Deep in space, many asteroids contain enormous amounts of valuable metals. One famous example is 16 Psyche, which scientists believe contains huge quantities of iron and nickel. Future space companies may mine asteroids for rare metals, construction materials, and fuel for spacecraft. Asteroid mining could create a trillion-dollar space economy. Robots will explore places humans cannot survive. Advanced spacecraft like the James Webb Space Telescope are already revealing new galaxies and distant worlds. Meanwhile, robotic explorers like the Perseverance rover are searching for signs of ancient life on Mars. In the future, robots may explore the icy oceans of Europa, the methane lakes of Titan. These missions could answer one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone in the universe? The future of space is not only about exploration. It could also include giant space stations, factories in orbit, solar power satellites, interplanetary transportation networks. Earth may become just one world in a network of human civilizations across space. Scientists even imagine spacecraft capable of traveling to other star systems. Humanity is slowly becoming a spacefaring species. The future of space is full of possibilities, from moon bases to cities on Mars, to mining asteroids and exploring alien oceans. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming reality, and the greatest adventures in human history may still lie beyond the stars.